One of the happinesses that humans pursue is the health of teeth. So we started to challenge for a happy life for humans. Give your best smile to the world. MEDIMECCA, a global implant company. The beginning of MEDIMECCA was to become a leading company in the medical device industry. Since its establishment in 2006, MEDIMECCA has been practicing the happiness and well-being of all people through implants. With the motto of "Let's leap toward the center of a medical device enterprise," we have been producing the world's best quality implants based on innovative technology and skilled experience. In particular, we are leading the industry based on differentiated technology, such as developing fifth-generation implants using natural proteins. In addition, we provide the safest and most reliable customized products by performing all manufacturing processes from design to CNC processing and surface treatment at our own factory. MEDIMECCA's technology is directed towards people. The first brand of MEDIMECCA, Chaodum, which has been steadily loved for 14 years, is a product that reflects the three keywords human, implant, and happiness, and boasts a strong and stable fastening force between the fixture and abutment. Honest, a second brand created by reinforcing surface treatment technology and improving design. Honest is a submerged-type implant with an internal hex and 11-degree taper connection structure, which has a thread design for optimal SA surface and a taper body design with excellent initial fixation, showing strong binding and early fixation in cartilage. MEDIMECCA is always doing its best for customer safety and satisfaction. Since its establishment, MEDIMECCA's products, which have been researched based on various treatment data, offer the highest satisfaction that no one has ever experienced the most complete treatment process. MEDIMECCA's implant procedure, which considers patient safety as the top priority, starting with the incision and after the drilling of the appropriate size found through a careful analysis of the patient's condition, and the smooth and perfect product insertion process, the implant procedure that everyone is satisfied with is completed. MEDIMECCA is looking ahead to a wider and bigger future. Today, MEDIMECCA has entered to more than 30 countries around the world, including Asia and Europe, taking responsibility for the smiles of all customers. We are the company that makes the world smile with the advanced technology of implants. MEDIMECCA will keep customers' happy smiles for a long time beyond the next generation.